So your criminal lawyer says, don't worry, take the plea, you won't go to jail. But if you're not a U.S. citizen, there may be reason to worry. My name is Ruth Jean. I am an immigration lawyer practicing in the United States. And many immigrants think that if there is no jail time on their criminal case, there are no immigration consequences. And that's simply not true. Immigration law does not focus solely on whether or not a person received jail time. Even probation can trigger deportation. So before accepting any plea deal, immigrants must speak with an immigration attorney who understands criminal consequences. A small mistake in criminal court can become a deportation case in the future. Now, if you're dealing with a deportation case, we can help. You can call us at 954-278-9332, 954-278-9332.